There's a brand new AI content niche that's quietly exploding across YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and hardly anyone is talking about it. These funny cartoon animations are consistently pulling in millions of views, growing channels to millions of subscribers, and according to online estimates, some creators are making tens of thousands of dollars every month. The best part? You don't need to know how to draw, animate, or even tell stories from scratch. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the complete AI workflow I use to create these viral cartoon videos from idea to finished animation. Let me show you a YouTube channel that has grown to nearly 4.9 million subscribers by uploading nothing but these humorous cartoon animation videos. Some of their uploads have reached well over 10 million views, while many others have comfortably crossed the 1 million view mark. Naturally, I became curious about how much a channel like this might actually be earning. According to VidIQ, their estimated monthly revenue sits at around $46,000. Of course, that's only an estimate, so I checked another analytics platform to compare the figures. Although the exact numbers varied slightly, both sources agreed on one important point. This channel is generating a significant monthly income. I'll walk you through the entire workflow step by step, from generating story ideas to creating fully animated cartoon videos using AI. Let's get started. If you'd like a copy of the exact prompt I use, simply leave the word prompt in the comments below, and I'll happily share it with you. Once you've copied the prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it into the chat, and click Generate. Within a matter of seconds, ChatGPT creates 10 completely different cartoon story ideas. That's already impressive. But here's where things become even more useful. Going to choose story idea number 2. As you can see, the story is divided into 5 scenes. Each scene contains a detailed image prompt describing exactly what the artwork should look like, followed by a separate animation prompt explaining how the scene should move. This makes the next stage incredibly straightforward. Let's begin by copying the image prompt for scene 1. Next, head over to Google Flow. Create a new project and choose the image generation option. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 because we're creating vertical videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Then select the Nano Banana 2 model. Simply paste the image prompt into the text box and click Generate. Within a few moments, Google Flow produces an image. Honestly, the quality surprised me the first time I tried it. The artwork doesn't look like a basic AI illustration. Instead, it resembles a professionally animated cartoon frame with impressive lighting, detailed backgrounds, expressive characters, and vibrant colors. Now here's a useful trick. Instead of starting every image from scratch, click the Add to Prompt option. This helps maintain the same visual style throughout the entire story. Consistent characters and environments make your finished animation feel much more polished. Now return to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt for scene 2, paste it into Google Flow, generate the image, then click Add to Prompt once again. You'll simply repeat this process until you've created all 5 images. Once you've finished, you'll have every key scene prepared and ready for animation. Now comes my favorite part, turning those still images into animated videos. Go back to ChatGPT one more time and copy the animation prompt for scene 1. Return to Google Flow. Select your first image. Click the Animate option so the software uses that image as the opening frame. Set the output to a 6-second clip in the same 9:16 vertical format. Choose the Omni Flash video model. Paste the animation prompt into the box, then click Generate. After a short rendering time, your static image transforms into a fully animated cinematic sequence. You'll notice smooth camera movements, expressive character actions, dynamic lighting, and natural-looking motion. The animation feels surprisingly professional considering it was generated almost entirely by AI. Now repeat exactly the same workflow for scene 2. Open the second image, click Animate, paste the corresponding video prompt, generate the clip. Continue until all 5 scenes have been animated. Once everything has finished rendering, all that's left is editing. Fortunately, this part is incredibly simple. Open any editing software you're comfortable using. CapCut is an excellent option because it's beginner-friendly and available on both desktop and mobile. Import all 5 animated clips. Arrange them in the correct order. Trim any unnecessary frames. Add background music if you like. Include sound effects to enhance the comedy. You can also add subtitles, zoom effects, or transitions, although many viral videos keep the editing surprisingly simple. After exporting the final video, you'll have a complete AI-generated slapstick cartoon animation ready to upload. When I finished my first project using this workflow, I honestly wasn't expecting the results to look as good as they did. If you found this tutorial useful, I'd genuinely appreciate it if you gave the video a like. It really helps the channel reach more people. Also, let me know in the comments which AI niche you'd like me to cover next. I'm always looking for new ideas to test and share with you. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos covering viral AI workflows, content creation strategies, and emerging opportunities before they become saturated. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Stop! That glowing watermelon belongs to nobody! Catch it before it escapes! The watermelon wins again! Like and follow for another wild desert adventure.